Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming iCloud Reminders is active and synced. This ensures lists and alerts travel with you. Next, create a single inbox list and set it as your default so new items go somewhere predictable. Use Siri or the quick add field for immediate capture, say the task and a time. Once done, tag a priority or list right away to avoid triage later. This establishes a habit. Capture first, organize second, and keep the app as your single source of truth. Now you structure work so reminders becomes proactive. Create named lists like today, next, waiting, and someday. Move items accordingly each morning. For complex tasks, add subtasks, exact due dates, and location triggers so actions pop when relevant. Then apply tags and build smart lists that combine tags, dates, and priorities. This gives you filtered views like high-priority work or errands by location. Once set, automations reduce decision friction, and you finish by locking the system with regular reviews. Spend 5 minutes each day and 10 each week to move items, update dates, and archive completed lists. This keeps clutter from accumulating. Adjust notification settings and snooze behavior so reminders interrupt you only when they must. If sync fails, force a refresh, verify iCloud storage and network, then sign out and back in as needed. If problems persist, disable and re-enable reminders in iCloud. That usually resolves stuck items without losing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.